Today in this video we will discuss about include method in JavaScript. So here we have the definition for include method, which is the include method is used to check if a value exists in an array or string. So here we have the syntax for include methods. First of all, we will discuss with array. So in the syntax of array, we have to define array dot includes, and we have to pass value to find and then form index. So value to find is the value you want to search for, and form index is the value index to start searching from. So same for string, we have to pass string dot include, and we have to pass whatever the string we are finding and then position. So here we have our first example. So in this example we will work with include method on an array. So we have an array apple, banana and mango, and then we are applying console.log, and we are passing syntax like fruits, which is the name of this array, and then syntax includes, and then we are passing banana, which means we are searching for banana in this array, and we can see that banana is here in this array. That's why it is returning as true. And so in the second console.log we are passing fruit.includes, and then we are searching for grapes, and you can see that grapes are not here in this array. That's why it is returning false to us. So now we have our second example. So in this example we will work include method with string. So first of all, we have a string called message. In this we have learn JavaScript with PC, and we have console.log message.include, and we are searching for JavaScript, and you can see that JavaScript is here. So that's why it is returning as true. And second console dot we are searching for React. So React is did not find here, so why it returned false to us. The final example, we are working include method with indexing. So we have a array, in which array we have digit like 1 2 3 4 2, and then we are applying console.log, and then we are passing number.includes, and we are searching for digit 2, and we are searching for index 3. So we can see that 0 1 2 3 and 2, and we can see that 2 is here in this array. So that's why it's returning true to us. So finally we have summary for include method, which is type. So include method works with array and string. So it return always boolean, it means it return always true or false. So include method always case sensitive, and it does not modify the original array. So now we have some cross question, which is how is include different from index of. So includes return a boolean, and index of return the index or -1 if not found. So second question is includes case sensitive for string. So yes. So in the syntax you can see that we have a string hello, in which we have a capital H, and then we are passing dot includes, and then we are searching for hello, in which we have small h. So it is returning false to us. So that's why includes method always case sensitive. So that's how include method works in JavaScript. So if you like these type of conceptual question for JavaScript, then hit the subscribe button. Thanks.